Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Aryaman Roy. And my name is Arshia Roy. Today we are going to show you the Mickey Mouse Handy Helper toolbox. Now we are going to show you something called a tool called a filer. It's for tightening the screws very well. And it has a little thing behind it. Now, we are going to show you the 2-in-1 screwdriver. Here it is. It has Mickey Mouse designs on it. And you can open it and make it into a different type. To make sure that you're putting it in the correct way, you can see the hole behind. Now, we are going to show you 4 Mickey Mouse nails. Now, here are 6 screws. And to keep them tight, 6 little nuts. Here are 4 pieces of wood. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. 2 of them are with 3 holes, and the other 2 are with 2 holes. Now, the last 2 things are the 2 wrenches. Okay, let's start by making something. Oh, let us just bring the hammer. Easy. So, here we have a little Mickey Mouse hammer with a Mickey Mouse picture on it. So, let's continue by making something. You can put in some screws and tighten them like this. Till then, let us show you the customized toolbox. Instead of this, if you want, you can even use the screwdriver. Let's see the creation being made by Aryaman. Just do it with your hand. If the screw that you're putting the nuts. Okay friends, so here we have 3 screws fixed. Now let's put everything back in the toolbox. Before putting everything back in the toolbox, count everything and compare the total number of it with the number of things in the instruction card. Make sure that all of them are there, or if not, please try to find that missing piece out. Maybe you could see. Here we have 3 pieces of wood. Oh, where's the other one? Let's put 6 nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make sure that there are 2 wrenches and 6 screws. 1 दीदी कोई टाइट लगी थी इसे. 2, 4, 5, and 6. Here's the last piece of it. Now let's see the 4 Mickey Mouse nails. 1, 2, 3, 4. The piler, the hammer, and the screwdriver. Okay friends, thank you for watching our video. See you again.